Champaign Willard, airport formation Victor, time 16530, Zulu, wind 25013, gust 20. Visibility 10, ceiling 1,800 broken, 2,300 overcast, temperature 27, 2.22, altimeter 29er, 904. Instrument approaches in use, landing and departing intersecting runways 32 right, runway 22. Contact clearance, living on ground frequency 121.8. Notice to airman, runway 22 Bassie is out of service. Runway 14 right, 32 left, closed. Advise, on initial contact, you have information, Victor.
All right, we got Victor, we're on with ground, let's give him a call. Afternoon ground, Skyhawk 23 Mike Zulu, IFR to Nashville, ready to copy.
Cessna 23 Mike Zulu, Champaign ground, cleared to Bravo, November, Alpha Airport S out on departure, maintain 3,000, expect 7,100 minutes after. Departure frequency 121.35, squawk 1345.
Right, the Mike Zulu is cleared to Bravo, November, Alpha Asphalt 3,000, 7,010, 121.35, 1345 in the squawk. We're at Flight Star Victor, ready to taxi.
Star 23 Mike Zulu, Champaign ground, readback is correct, runway 32 right, taxi via Alpha.
32 right via Alpha to the Mike Zulu. What does this show? 246 miles, a 165 heading. That tailwind should favor us a little bit more as well.
23 Mike Zulu, fly runway heading, runway 32 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 32 right, clear for takeoff to Mike Zulu. Notice he didn't give us an altitude. That's because he gave us the altitude back with the clearance, right? Client maintained 3,000, so we still have that. Sometimes they'll switch it up on you, fly runway heading, 4,000, clear for takeoff. I'll mix it up.
179, turn left runway heading. Contact ground 28. Calling 7.
Alright, IC32 right outside, on the compass and on the synthetic vision as well. Good job. Good crosswind correction, Matt. You're gonna need it. It's kicking. Airspeed's alive, engine gauges are all green. Good luck. We're all counting on you on this 19 knot crosswind takeoff. All the internet's watching. And let her go. Right in that crab angle. Look at that. I hope the cameras can showcase what we're like 20 degrees, 25 degrees off center line right now with the nose going straight ahead.
And it's getting worse.
And it's getting worse as we get higher, huh? Wow. There's some lasso lines. I don't know if the ground cameras captured that. Those are your lasso lines down there. We had the lasso 2-2. Lasso, land and hold short operations. They told you clear to land 32 right. Lasso, or land and hold short of 22. That's where you'd have to stop.
Everybody, Mike Zulu, turn left heading 300, contact departure.
300 over departure to the Mike Zulu. Alright, so 300 bugged over to departure. Departure Skyhawk 23 Mike Zulu 1000, climbing 3000.
November 23 Mike Zulu, Champaign departure, radar contact, climb and maintain a 7,000, turn left on course.
Left on course up to 7,000 to the Mike Zulu. That's my kind of departure check-in. On course and up to your altitude. I like that. The Midwest has been good to us. We got the same thing out of Fort Wayne. It was like...
November 3 Mike Zulu, when able, say bases on top.
Full code to the Mike Zulu. What she just asked there was, when able, say bases and tops. Where's the bottom of the clouds? Where's the top of the clouds? If you remember the video coming in here, they asked the exact same question because, again, it's this really weird, I'd call this a scattered layer. Over there is a little more broken. This is more scattered. So, again, that old private instrument pilot weather course is coming right back to you now, huh? So, anyways, Matt and I are proceeding on course. He's got the GPS queued up, autopilot queued up. We're flying on out of here. Why don't we fly together? Let's do the bases and tops report together, and then we'll fast forward a little bit further in the video as we'll see what that weather's doing up by Nashville.
All right, we're 2,500.
I think that's going to be about right.
And then we'll be back 10 minutes later when we're above them.
Yeah. She said report bases and tops. I think I'll report the bases and then report the tops.
When we get there.
There's a little bit of time between those two, she needs to understand. We're not a Phenom 100. I'm out of here. What do you think, 2,500 or 2,600?
25.
25.
In here.
Yep. And Champaign bases are at 2,500. It's a scattered layer.
Dash 3 Mike Zulu, roger, thank you.
And in the next 15 minutes, we'll give her the tops. Slow reporting, slow PIREPs for a little bird. What do you want to say tops are? 4,000? Look, judging by those guys over there?
I'd say like an average of like 4,000, yeah.
Yeah. And to the Mike Zulu tops are 4,000.
Roger.
Oh, there's our PIREP. That's simple. All right, Observer Nation, we're going to fast forward a little bit. If anything exciting comes on, you know we'll fire those cameras right back up. We've got that weather to contend with by Nashville, so you know we'll fire it up for approach. But let's fast forward ahead just a little bit.
24.3.
All right, heading into Nashville. They had us direct Hickory on the approach, but are now taking us a 180. So we'll see. I don't know if he busted us off the ILS or not. And now into Nashville, information Juliet. They have the creepy robot ATIS. You know these guys?
Nashville International Airport, ATIS information, Juliet.
Show of hands, who's really creeped out by those ATISes? Is that the right? Is it 8i? ATISes? I don't know. Yeah, those ones creep me out. They're hard to listen to. The weird robot. All right. Anyways, he's got us 180. They're using 20 right. We're going to have a fairly complex taxi when we do land, Matt.
281 fighting at 230,
As we get bumped around.
Heading.
I'll get ready to show you that in a second.
281, thanks, clear visual approach.
All right, Matt and I have already got this briefed through. I'm going to get tower on 18.6 here in a second. Tower's queued up. He may bring us back direct Hickory, Matt, so be ready for that. He might just be doing this for traffic. There's a ton of traffic. Delta ahead of us. Bunch of others.
24 descending through 7,000 for 6,000.
That's him right there talking.
We're giving 6,000.
24, roger, maintain 6,000 lower.
Good IFR flying. Bumpy.
24, maintain 6,000, we'll go.
Killer downdraft, 1,000 feet a minute.
Approaching altitude.
Guys coming down to 4.4 is going to keep us in it though, huh?
Yep.
Temperature's good outside, everything else looks good though. Enrich your mixture just a hair. 20 rights can give us a tough little taxi. I'll just share with Matt. We want to go to signature, so landing 20 right. If we hop off on Lima, we got a kind of complex taxi back. In a perfect world, Matt, we could roll past the runway and hop off on Kilo. Across into signature wouldn't be terrible. We'll just see it's a lot of runway though to eat up if they're that busy.
I have a feeling he's going to keep us out of the way. He's going to cut us over just because he said everyone's visual. So
yeah, bring us in for the visual.
Just cut us in last second when he has time.
I agree. Well, we got loaded just in case.
Yep.
23 Mike Zulu, expect the ILS approach runway 20 left.
We'll switch up 20 left now to the Mike Zulu. Wow, that is a switch. You ready?
24 film site.
20.
23 Mike Zulu, new localizer frequency there is 109.35.
Understand, thanks to the Mike Zulu. Wow. All right, I got it. 20 left. I got 20 left queued up. You want me to get you set up in the Avenine for you too?
Yeah, if you could.
Yeah, I got you covered.
Down to 3,000, go to 30. 1100 Nashville approach, roger. Down to 24, fighting of 230.
Reba. Yeah, bring us in Reba.
Noise vector it later.
Yeah.
Delta 24, cleared the visual approach, runway 20 right.
Reba.
24, maintain 170 knots or greater until 5 mile final.
Gap in the route, but that's just because the other one was there.
24, we'll contact.
So I've technically got it in direct Reba right now. That's all loaded for you. Don't mind the gap in the route. Everything else, that all looks good. 109.
Mike Zulu, turn left heading 110.
110 to the Mike Zulu. 109, so let's rebrief this now. 109.35. 935, got it in there, tuned. It's already ID'd. Thank you, Avidine. I got tower queued up as our next frequency. So just so you know, it's Reba at 5, even though he's brought us in lower than that. So we'll probably jump into Wayland, but I'm ready to punch in and just go direct to Wayland. This place is a zoo.
Renia 129.
129, you're 4 miles from Roger.
Normally I turn ADSB off the traffic, but there's so much happening around here right now.
Runway 20 right approach, maintain 170 knots, still operate. Southwest 2878, descend to maintain 3000.
Yes, sir. You're going to send us right through this localizer if you don't tell us something soon.
65126, 7 miles from Judd, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS, runway 20 left approach, maintain 170 knots, still 5 mile final. Alright, 170 knots until 5 mile final. 2000 until established at Judd. Cleared, 20 left, ILS, Blue Streak 5126. Southwest 3072, turn right heading to 170.
Localizer's alive, but we got nothing.
170 to join the 20 right localizer, Southwest 3072.
Southwest 372, reduce speed to 170.
Flow to 170, Southwest 3072.
Sector 1100, contact tower 18.6.
He's sending us through it.
Switching the tower.
Heading at 218, instead of maintain 4000.
Maintain 4000, ready 218.
Southwest 3072, do you have the airport at 1 o'clock and 10 miles in sight?
Yes, sir, the airport is in sight, Southwest 3072.
Southwest 3072, clear visual approach, runway 20 right, 170 knots, final.
Flying 170, clear for the visual, 20 right, Southwest 3072.
170 to final.
Hey, just rush to step 20 left and then
Heading at 218, turn
sends us right through it, huh?
Right turn 110, ready 218.
23 Mike Zulu, flighting 180.
180 to the Mike Zulu.
Southwest 2078, as you roll out, the field will be at your 9 and 10 o'clock and 10 miles call inside.
I don't know what this guy's doing now.
Thank you, one more turn to final.
He's pretty focused in on
2070, instead of maintain 2000.
20 right. So,
Yeah, I don't know if he just forgot about us or what.
2000.
2000, Southwest 2878.
Is there a runway there?
Back 2458.
I mean, there's a runway. I just can't confirm that's our runway.
Switching the tower, American 2458, have a good day.
I'm pretty sure it is, but I don't want to call it yet.
218, instead of maintain
There are
2000.
3 20s to choose from.
218, as you roll into the base, the Nashville Airport will be at your 10 o'clock, 10 miles per port field in sight.
We got field in sight for ready 218.
he's underneath
218,
us.
heading at 230, join the final clear visual approach, way 20 left.
He sent him for a visual 20 left.
0 left for ready.
He's where is he? Right here?
Yeah, he's
23 Mike Zulu, traffic
there.
here following
Yep.
is at your 9 o'clock
inside.
and a mile at 2,800, descending, it's a Falcon.
Traffic in sight for 23 Mike Zulu.
23 Mike Zulu, roger. Just wanted to make sure you had him in sight, just maintain the separation, not traffic.
Well,
A-firm to the Mike Zulu. I'll maintain visual separation as best I can when you get us a lower altitude here.
23 Mike Zulu, maintain visual separation instead of maintain 3,000.
Down to 3 now to the Mike Zulu. That'll help. Alright, way back. We're back out of it now. I can barely. Now we can see him.
there he is. Didn't clear us for anything.
Nope. That's
There's our runway.
Yeah. To the Mike Zulu has 20 left in sight.
Number 23 Mike Zulu, roger, you can expect a visual approach.
We'll expect a visual thanks to the Mike Zulu. I'll make
Not cleared yet, just expect it.
understand to the Mike Zulu.
Leaving altitude.
So much going on, but I got it. That's what I really wanted to say. I think it was harder to fly in Nashville than it was in Oshkosh.
We played this game last time, though.
We did.
Not
You're
as
right.
bad, though.
No.
But it was VFR, too, so.
Yeah.
23 Mike Zulu, flying 230 to join the final. Follow the Falcon, clear visual approach, runway 20 left.
230 to follow Falcon, cleared visual 20 left to the Mike Zulu.
218,
Alright.
contact tower 1.
All of you, my friend. 230, grab it, and you're clear for the visual, so just grab final.
Yep.
Wowzers.
I'm going to hand fly just to speed it up because you know they're going to be asking for it.
Romeo,
Yeah.
Nashville approach, 73007.
Going to give it a little bit more
Yeah, get us there.
speed, try to help them out
23
here.
Mike Zulu, contact tower 18.6, good day.
1860 to the Mike Zulu.
Runway 20 left, also cleared to land.
Clear to land, clear for the visual for runway 218.
Tower Skunk to the Mike Zulu, visual 20 left.
No problem.
November 23 Mike Zulu, National Tower number 2, runway 20 left, clear to land.
Number 2, 20 left, clear land to the Mike Zulu.
Nashville Tower, Tampico 137 Echo Romeo, following the 172, runway 20 left.
Tampico 137 Echo Romeo, National Tower, you have a 10 knot overtake on the Skyhawk number 2, runway 20 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 20 left, we'll start slowing her down, 7 Echo Romeo.
Put the anchor out.
Had to call us out, huh?
He did call us out. 10 knot overtake.
I'm planning, I'll dump in flaps last minute here.
I understand. Just try to grab Hotel 4 if you can, because if you don't grab Hotel 4, we're on this runway for a long time.
Okay.
2 mile final. Remember it's 110 for your first notch, so you gotta get her slow here.
Yep.
Whoa!
That was a good one.
Jeez.
Sun Country 8714, National, you ready?
Yes, Sun Country 8714, we're ready.
Sun Country 8714 tower, fly runway heading, runway 20 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff.
Big old power lines out here on final. A big old berm too, that's deceiving, huh?
Visual 20 right.
Southwest 428 Nashville Tower, number 1, runway 20 right, clear land traffic.
He is on our butt.
Yep, I know. That's trying not to worry about him, but
this is 400 feet.
Tower Legion 636, visual approach 20 right.
Legion 636 Nashville Tower, good afternoon, number 2, runway 20 right, clear to land.
You don't worry about him, you worry about us.
Legion 636.
Wind check 240 at 12.
Good job, I got your flaps. Aerodynamic brake.
Skyhawk 3, Mike Zulu, are you making Hotel 4, which is your next right?
We got you covered, Hotel 4.
Thanks, turn right at Hotel 4, ground point 9 Skyhawk 3, Mike Zulu, good day.
Point 9, see ya. I say we got you covered, like you're the one on the brakes and stuff, so it's like your responsibility.
alright, we're clear there.
Ground Skyhawk 23 Mike Zulu, Hotel 4 to signature, please.
23 Mike Zulu, Nashville, taxi via Hotel Juliet, hold short, Tango 6.
Hotel Juliet, hold short, Tango 6 to the Mike Zulu. That's half our taxi so far. Okay, right turn. Oh, we're going over a bridge.
Nashville ground, runway 20
awesome.
center, taxi via Kilo Tango 5.
I've ever taxied over a bridge.
Kilo current.
20 center.
All right, MzeroA Nation, we are taxiing over a bridge.
Alright, Juliet?
Juliet, MzeroA first.
On Hotel, clear runway 20 left, taxiing yourself, please.
137 Echo Romeo, Nashville ground, roger, taxi via Hotel Lima, hold short, Lima 7.
Hotel Lima, short of Lima 7.
Very anticlimactic.
Yep.
Over a bridge we go. Oh, cars too. That was fun.
Number 3 Mike Zulu, turn left at Tango 6, cross runway 31, taxi signature.
Tango 6, cross 3-1 to signature. Thank you to the Mike Zulu.
Alright, so
Okay, left here. This is,
we're on Tango 6.
yeah, that's an ILS critical line. You're good on a cross. Cross the ILS line, cross 3-1, he did say. And straight ahead to signature. I see the signature logo, and I see a really cool helicopter over there.
I was going to mention that earlier.
Ground Legion 636.
Let's pay attention
They're
now.
Rolling 2, holds for Charlie 6.
Looks like the ramp.
The second line to the ramp, you think?
Ground, roger, turn left
agreed.
on Bravo, you say you need to hold.
Hey, firm. Tango 6 still right.
All right, where are the line personnel?
There's one right there. I don't know if he's for us, though.
Is he for us, or is he just chilling? He's on his phone. I want to go see this.
I'll go exec here if we have to.
Oh yeah, we'll go
even
VIP.
Even here.
Oh, he's waving at us. Oh wow, this guy's got like the potty cart and everything. He's driving around with the potty cart. Flagging us in.
Oh, jeez.
Wow, we're getting VIP treatment.
How long you know him?
We know. We got
Oh, this is...
Check on it for Legion
We'll take
636.
Welcome Music City is right.
It looks like there's like 1 or 2 hold parking spots on the ramp.
All right, MzeroA Nation, we made it.
Tango 6, looks like
That was a zoo. Can't wait to read your comments below.
Legion 636, taxi
Perfect.
via
Have a
Tango
blessed,
3.
abundant day, and most importantly, remember,
Tango 6 to the ramp.
think about, as always, learn. Have a great day, guys. We'll see ya.
Lima.